Hey everyone, this is Rob from Craft. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can add different types of media within your documents and also the different ways that you can display these within your document. So as you can see in front of us, we currently have a daily update of the Olympic Games, and this will be the example-based document that we're going to use to show the different types of media that you can use in documents. So the first thing that we're going to actually look at is navigating to the right-hand sidebar, page style, and adding in a cover image. As you can see, you just need to select into the cover image, insert a file, and as you can see, you just select your file and in goes the cover image itself. So a very cool feature is that you can actually resize the cover image. So as you can see, I've just selected the freeform and I just want to zoom in a bit more into the Olympic rings within the Eiffel Tower. That looks perfect, and all you need to do is click done, and as you can see, the cover image has been updated. I'm also going to use this opportunity just to select a preset. So as you can see, I'm just changing the background color. I just want it a bit more of a darker blue, which I feel represents the Olympic Games a bit better as France are hosting them this year. So moving down to our first section, and as you can see, we have our first page break for medal tables. This is going to be a place where we're going to upload images for the top 5 countries, for the total amount of golds and the total amount of medals. What I'm now going to do is, again using the right hand sidebar, just select insert and file, and as you can see, we can select the images we wish to upload. So I've just inserted the total medals, and I'm going to set into the document the amount of total golds. What I've done is that I've created these as toggles just because I now want to select the image, and I'm just going to paste it, or move it I should say, into the toggle. So for the total amount of golds, that's in there, and now I'm going to move the image into total amount of medals. So as you can see, what we can now do is that you can now toggle that off and on. Now that does look great. One final thing I want to do is I'm just going to change this into a subtitle just so it stands out a bit more. So as you can see, we now have our first page break, medal table, total amount of golds, total amount of medals, which look fantastic. Now for our third example of how you can incorporate media into a document, we're actually going to show you how you can embed videos into Craft. So a very common use case is actually YouTube videos. So all you need to do is you just need to copy the YouTube URL, and using the Command V shortcut, you can just paste this within the document itself. So you might notice once you paste in a YouTube clip, the default will bring this video as an embedded video. What this means is that you can actually play the video within the Craft document itself, like you can see in front of us here. Another very cool tip is if you just hover over, you are able to change the display of the video. So as you can see, instead of having an embedded video, you can actually have a small, regular, or card view. And I'm going to leave this as a card view. So what I'm now going to do is I'm just going to add in another couple of videos. So again, similar to the first one, I'm just going to place this as a card, and also for the third video, again placing this as a card. A very cool tip that not many people do know is that you can actually rename the video. So as you can see, we have Ireland make history, but if you do want to change that, you can just say instead, maybe Ireland wins gold, and you click rename, and as you can see, the link title within the video has been changed. Now for our final example of different types of media that you can input into a document, and this is going to be inputting a PDF file. So again, we've gone over how you can insert a file via the right hand sidebar, but a very cool little trick is that if you just use the slash menu and type in insert, you can actually insert a file from there, and as you can see, we're just going to upload the PDF document. As you can see, that's just been uploaded. Similar to the videos, you can change the card view. So you've got card, regular, or small. We're going to leave it as small. And one last thing is that you might have noticed on the left-hand side, we do have an actual attachments tab. Here you can see the different types of attachments, whether that's media, links, or files within a document. So if you do have a document with substantial amount of media or files, it's very easy to manage this within the left-hand sidebar. I hope this helps, and happy crafting.